can get. So just by looking at this, let's take the one which also has given us a trade from a significant point, which is, again, as I said, these are the no-brainer trades, which is the Aussie yen. And if you look at the Aussie yen, oh, come on, please don't do that. All right. The Aussie yen, the 81.57, you guys know, has been the significant point from which we have been, all of you with me in the room, we have been trading it. And this is where it sold off from last week. And we had another kind of structural point, which is the 80.55. We are below that too, and now we are at 80.22. Now this is the easiest trade of them all. That's why I'm doing it right now. We do have, you see, when you put your ellipse on the point, you know exactly, your eyes will take you where is that point you are referencing with your line, and that's it, the 80.04. We're now at 80.22. So this makes our trade, and you can see the other significant point at 80.55. So we have a significant point at 80.55 and significant point at 80.04. So this is the no-brainer trade. What does that mean? And as you can see, we have here on the, when we were trading together, I put the 80.55 right there. So this will be our buying point. So we're gonna, this is a no-brainer trade. So we're going to buy above the 80.55, which is the structure long point, and therefore it is going to be my buy signal and my structure long point, and of course it's going to be our stop. Whenever I have a buy signal that is the same as my structural point, it becomes also my stop. And this means you don't use, I mean, you just give it, you use common sense, you use it 5 or 10 pips below it, but you're not going to give it any room because it's such an important, it's a decision-making point. It goes through it, it has to fly. Nobody knows what's going to do, but we have to make a judgment once it gets there. And therefore, we in order to remain on a consistent base, we put the long points the same as the structure point is the same as our stop. The same rule applies on the short entry. We're going to go short below 80.04. That's going to be our structure short point. And of course, it is going to be our stop. Okay? And that is the Aussie yen. We're going to, just to recap, we're going to buy above 80.55, which is our structural. We're going to buy above the 80.55, which is our structural long point, and our stop on the long position. Or we're going to go short below the 80.04, which is also our structural short point, and of course going to be our short stop. Okay, so let me save that, and it's the